What's going on, YouTube? Today's video, we're going to be doing some striped bass fishing. I'm going to be meeting up with Fernando, Alex, and Bogdan, and we're going to be going for some striped bass in the Shubenacadie River. So yeah, let's see what we can catch there. Alright, for my setup here, it's almost like a drop shot rig. I just got this hook attached on here. You get a look at it. So it's offset circle hook, I think. Anyways, I got this hook attached on here. Put it in my finger. And I got this 4-ounce pyramid sinker at the bottom. I'm gonna set it up with some mackerel for bait. Oh. Come on, come on. Oh, did I lose it?
No, you didn't.
I lost it. It stole my bait.
Okay, that's good sign.
Yeah, something just ripped the bait. Hey, let's go. First catch of the day, hopefully. Did you lose it?
I lost it.
Oh. That was something though, eh?
Oh, that was something. Yeah.
That's a bite. Come on. Yeah, I'm on.
Nice.
Small one. First catch of the day. Woo. That's a small little guy. Oh, don't hook me. Oh, gross, he's spawning. Oh, nasty.
Sorry.
Oh, don't record this. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Have you seen them before? Yeah, you've caught these guys.
I call them.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I hold it?
Sure. It's can get you a little.
And I won't.
Just. Ugh. All right, little feller. Hey. Did it just go slack? Check it. You got it. You got it. Oh, that was a big bite though. Oh, that's bait. Come on. Yeah, it's just a little bait. Oh yeah, that's the most adorable little striper I've ever seen.
Yeah, man, that is awesome.
Hey,
though.
You're on the board though. That's what counts. Eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wicked. Thought we were having a little dry spell here for a second. Oh. I'm not sure if I was recording that. Hey. Bogdan got one. There's 3 of us on the board now. Fernando's just out there throwing some bait away. No, nothing on it. That was a bite though. So for a while we were getting a lot of bites and not hooking any fish. And a lot of the time they'd be stealing the bait on us too. So every time, I kept forgetting to, but every time I'd get a bite, I'd try to remember to check my bait. Yeah, fish number 2 for Bogdan. Hey. Oh, tiny one. Oh my god. Wonder if these are all the ones like born this year, the little small ones. I don't know. It's a small one though.
You a fish? Huh?
Oh yeah, stole more than Fernando got.
I was feeling the same back when I was catching bass all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. It's your turn, eh?
Remember for trout fishing? Oh my god, I would go there and get no bite.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Got one. Oh, I lost it. No. Dang. It's just another small one. Either a little muskrat. Hey. Hey. Fernando's on the board. Let's go. That's a little bigger. Nice.
That's what a bass look like.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
Here you go. Just gonna put him in the water.
You got one? Hey, little baby one. Oh, there you go. Nice. Monster.
I know. They're a little feisty.
There you go. I've literally never seen so many small striped bass before. Like, these are some of the smallest ones I've ever seen, but at least we were catching some. We were running out of time because half of us had to get to work, and I decided I'd put a couple more hooks on my line, so I'd be running 3 hooks in total. So the way I did that is I didn't want to have to retie my whole setup, so I just slipped them right onto the line of my already set up rig. So I had to pinch the line together, pass it through the eye of the hook, and then loop it around over the hook so that it would keep it on the line. And then once I had it on the line like that, I just fixed it in place with a surgeon's loop. I have a video on how to do a surgeon's loop in my fishing tips and instructions playlist. So here, if you watch closely, you can see I pinched the line together, passing it through the eye, pulling it through a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the hook through that loop and pull it around the eye. I don't know how better to explain it. Then here I'm tying the surgeon's loop around it. And that'll fix it in place on the line with a little bit of a tag on it. I'm gonna try with 3 hooks. Hey, there you go. That's a hookup. Yeah. That was a big bite. Nice. 3rd one. Hey, there you go.
It's the biggest hook today.
Nice.
Don't worry, buddy. Hold on.
Hey, another one. Was that your 2nd or 3rd?
2nd.
There you go.
Everyone gets good fish today.
Yeah. I think you got one on. Is it on? That was like a bunch of bites in a row. Oh, you got one. Nice. Tiny one. You definitely caught the most so far, eh? I think I still only got one.
You lose 2.
Yeah.
Like, you lose that you seize it and pull it out. Hold on.
Alright, running out of time here. Gonna have to pack it up here in a second. Oh. No, I got it. Hey! This is probably my personal smallest. That's something. Woo, cute little guy. Cute little fella. That is so small. There you go, bud. Alright, that's all we got time for. We're getting packed up now. We're gonna head back to town. So it's pretty cool. We all got on the board today. We all caught multiple fish. And they were all really small ones, but it's still a lot of fun. We're already making plans for the next trip, and hopefully we'll get some bigger ones on that one. Alright, so that's it for today's video. That's all we had time for. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like it and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.